All right, the center you are at now is the weaving center. After reading the story of Ashanti and his beautiful web, you are all going to learn how to do a paper weaving. So your first step is to take a long 12 by 18 paper, and you are going to take that paper and you're going to fold it in half. When I fold something in half, I put the corners together. I hold it with one hand and I press and go out to the outside and then up and down to crease that edge. On that folded side, you're going to take that fold and put it towards your belly, towards you on the table. Along this folded side, you are going to take a marker and you're going to draw straight lines about 3 fingers apart. So I'm going to measure 3 fingers and make a line, 3 fingers and make a line, 3 fingers and make a line, and 3 fingers and make a line. Notice my fingers are together and not apart. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. Using a ruler, up at the top of the paper, first I'm going to make a line that's about 3 fingers wide. And this will help me decide when to stop cutting. All right, then I'm going to connect from that spot to that line. I'm going to make a line. I'm going to connect from that dot to the line and make a line. I'm going to connect from this dot to the line and draw a line. And connect from this dot to the line and draw a line, and then one more. Up here at the top, I'm going to make my name. You could also do this with a white crayon. A white crayon would show up very well on black paper as well. All right, now it's time to cut. So on that fold, I'm going to cut each of those straight lines, doing my best to stop when I get to the first line. All right, and then the next line. And then cut on this line. And then again on this line. Alright, now that I have my lines cut, when I open up my paper, you can see that it makes strips like this. Alright, now using the primary colors, we are going to create a weaving. So I'm going to get my first set of primaries, red, yellow, and blue. Starting with 1, I'm going to be weaving horizontally. So I'm going to start from one side and move my way from left to right. In my first row, I'm going to do a pattern of under, over, under, over, under, over. So using my strip, I'm going to go under row 1, over row 2, under row 3, over 4, under 5, and over 6. And then I line up this edge and pull it towards myself. For my next color, I'm going to do the opposite. Since I started under here and over here, I'm going to do the opposite. If this is under, then this row is going to be over. If this one is over, then this one is under. If this one is under, then this row goes over. And if this row is over, this one goes under. And then over, and then under. You'll notice it's correct because all of the corners are touching. All right, now I'm ready for my next. Since this row is over, I'm going to start under. Since the second row is under, my blue one is going to go over. and then under and over and under and over. I have blue, or red, yellow, and blue. So now I'm going to get my next set and repeat my pattern. My next color would be red. I'm going to go over, under, over, under, over, and under, and then push it down to meet up with the blue. Here I'm now ready. Red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. This one is over, so I will go under. Here I am under, so I will go over. And then